Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Let's Learn. Thank you for your 100 subscription and 100 views. All because of you, I reached more. Okay, today I'm going to tell some easy ways for multiplications. Let's have a look. This method is applicable in multiplication. 5 place should be 5 and 10th place should be same. And for example, 15 into 15, 25 into 25, 35 into 35, like this. Okay, let's have a look. 50 into 15 multiplied, we need the answer. 5 5s are 25. Write down. What is after 1? It is 2. We write 2. We got the answer. 1 into 2, 2. We have another look. Now, 25 into 25. This is our example. 5 5 is 25. 2 after 2 is 3. 2 3s are 6. So we have to write 6. We got the answer. Hope all will be practicing this method at your home. Put more likes and subscribes. Thank you for watching my video.